Hey babes, and welcome back to my channel. First things first, we're going to be going in to prime our lids using the Prep and Prime by MAC Cosmetics. This is the eyeshadow primer or eyeshadow base. Then we're going to be going in with the MAC Art Library palette in the shade or the color or the range, I don't know what to call it, Flame-Boyant. And we're going to be taking the two orange shades and putting that as our transition color. This is just going to make sure that all our other eyeshadow colors blend in with each other really well. Everything looks married on my eye, you know, there is no divorce or lines of demarcation. Everything is one. Next up, I'm going to be taking the red matte shade and I'll be putting this in the crease. I will go ahead and list all the shade names in the description box below because luckily MAC has named every single one of the shades in this palette, which is really great for me because then I can tell you guys the exact shades that I went ahead and I used. As I do that, I'm just going to keep blending in the eyeshadow because of course everything needs to look married. As I already said on the eye, a lot of blending was done to achieve this look, guys, so please don't be lazy. Next up, I'm going to be taking the red shade again and mixing it with the purple shade and again putting this in the crease just to deepen that crease. Next, we're going to be taking that brown shade and I'll be putting that in the inner and outer corner of my eyelid. This is going to just form a nice base for when we actually cut our crease a little bit for the halo eye look. Then we'll be taking my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color medium beige, I think. And I'll be cutting the crease and just setting a base for our shimmer shade on my eyelid and basically setting a place for the actual halo eye to take form. Then I'm going to go ahead and blend out the corners of that concealer just to make sure everything is again married on the eye. Then we're going in with that red shimmer shade and applying that to where we've put that concealer. And again, we're going to keep blending out the edges because we want everything to be what? You already know at this stage. You're the best part. Then we'll be taking our Maybelline Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser and using this as our primer. Then we'll be taking the Clinique Even Better Skin Foundation and applying that all over the skin. I absolutely love this foundation, guys. I've been raving about it ever since I got it. It is really great. I love the fact that it's matte, it's full coverage. It's really everything I need and more. Then we'll be taking our Maybelline Fit Me Concealer and I'll be putting this on all the places that I just need to be extra concealed. I don't put my foundation on every single place on my skin, so this is just going to make sure that all those places that I haven't covered are well concealed. Then I'm going to be taking my MAC 24 Hour Concealer and I'll be putting this on all the places that I'd like to highlight on my face. And I'll be blending this out with my sponge from Chic Cosmetics or Chic Cosmetics. Don't really know how you pronounce it, but they are on Instagram. You're the best part. You're the best part. You're the best part. You're the best part. Then I'm going to be going ahead and setting that with some translucent powder. You don't want to go too OD with this because you don't want your face to look too matte. You still want it to look skin-like. And then I'm going to be going ahead and using my bronzing powder from the Yardley X Bonnie collaboration. I absolutely love this product, one of my favorite products to come out of this year. Then I'm going to be taking my long lasting setting spray from Maybelline and putting that all over my skin. Then I'm going to be going ahead and using my MAC mascara, and I'll be putting this on my lashes. Of course, I really love this mascara. The wand makes my lashes look stunning. This is even great for if you're not doing any eyeshadow. Then I'm going to be taking my black Kohl pencil from MAC as well and putting this in my waterline just to again make my eyes look more intense. Then I'm going to be taking my eyeliner from Essence, and I'm going to be putting this just above my lashes. This just really makes the eye look again more dramatic without having to do as much as putting on a whole wing liner. And I'll be taking that brown shade and putting it on the corners of my eye, but this time on the waterline. I hope that makes sense, but yeah, you guys can basically see what I'm doing. And then I'm going to be taking that shimmer shade that I put on my lid and putting it in the same place that I put it above on my eyelid. Then I'm going to be taking my lashes and putting them on. I never show you guys how I put my lashes on, so I thought let me do it this time since the eyes are the focus. I did get these lashes from China Mall. They are really affordable, guys. China Mall has some of the best lashes. Do not sleep on it. Then I'm going to be taking my Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter. This is from the Maybelline X Puma collaboration, and I will be putting this on all the places where I'd like to highlight, basically the highest points of my face. And I'll be taking my liquid lipstick from Melanite Beauty and using this as basically a lip liner. I'm going to be putting this, of course, on the edges of my lips. Then I'm going to be taking a lipstick from Avon and putting this at the center of my lips. I absolutely love this combination, guys. It is honestly a winning formula. Found this out not too long before I did this look, and I've honestly been obsessed. I haven't taken any pictures with it, but honestly I love it. And then I'm going to be taking my Wet Look lip gloss from Essence and putting that all over my lips. This combo, you will never find anything better than this, trust and believe. Thank you so much to you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Yeah, I bust down, Tatiana. I wanna see you bust down, bust down, bust down, bust down, Tatiana, bust down, Tatiana. I wanna see you bust down, pick it up, now break that shit down, break it down, speed it up, then slow that shit down on the cat, slow it down, bust it, bust down, bust it, bust it, bust down on the cat, oh, bust down, Tatiana, bust down, Tatiana. I wanna see you bust down, pick it up, now break that shit down, break it down, speed it up, now slow that shit down on the cat, slow it down, bust it, bust down, bust it, bust it, bust down on the cat, full face, baby, yeah, I'm everywhere.